Frigidaire FFRA0511R1E 5000 BTU 115V window-mounted mini compact air conditioner review 2019. 5000 BTU mini compact air conditioner for window-mounted installation uses standard 115V electrical outlet, window mounting kit included. Quickly cools a room up to 150 sq.ft with dehumidification up to 1.1 pints per hour. Mechanical rotary controls, 2 cool speeds, 2 fan speeds, and two-way air direction.Window with 23 inches 36 inches. Low power startup, quiet operation and effortless restart.Exterior dimensions. Height 12 inches. Width 16 inches. Depth 15 1/4 inches. Energy efficiency ratio, ER 11.1, measures 16 inches WX 15 1/4 inches DX 12 inches H motor RPM, low 1310. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.